Our partners, that is BEFA, is in the process of withdrawing the funding that we have been receiving from BEFA, that is the United States of America government, that is through CDC. They have been supporting close to 518 of our workforce. We are told that they want to suspend that funding for the next 90 days as we await for the new directives from the new government, the new president of the United States of America. But as a government of Kisii, we have a plan. We want to put our heads together and see the best ways of addressing the losses that we are going to suffer as a result of that directive, so that we don't have any effects on our health services. We are prepared as government, as a department, in mitigating that directive that has come from the United States of America. So we have a plan. So we are telling our people across the county not to be worried, because we are going to come out with possible ways of mitigating that crisis. Just admit that 518 employees is not a small number. Of course, as I've indicated, we have a plan. We don't want our services to be affected, our patients to suffer. We have enough health workers as a government. So we are going to quickly come up with the measures to address those gaps that will be created as a result of the suspension. It's not withdrawal, it's suspension for the 90 days. So for the 90 days, we are going to come up with a plan to mitigate those gaps that are going to arise as a result of that suspension. So we don't envisage a lot of serious effects on our patients. So as government, we always have a plan B that we shall use.